You are as capable as the power you wield to the extent you've learned to use it. Hello, this thought mining segment with Onyi Nnebedum. Now, there's a whole lot in that statement. That means that you don't look at your capability based on how you look. You look at it based on the power that you have. But it's beyond that. It's wanting to have the power. But to what extent have you learned to use that power that you have? That's why even the Bible says God is going to do exceeding abundantly above all you could ask or think, according to the power that is at work in you. In other words, the power that you've learned to put to use. Okay? Why we go for education is so that we can learn to use this power that we have more. The more you learn to use it, the more result, the more outcome for you. The less you learn to use it, the less result, the less outcome for you. So there are some of us that the problem or the situation we found ourselves is not necessarily that we lack power, it's that we lack the knowledge of the power that we have. So there is knowledge required for you to maximize the power that you have. If you have something but don't know it, it will not benefit you. It will benefit you to the extent you've known it. So decide to learn more about that power that you have. It's like giving you a device or a new phone that you've not learned to use. You can mess up your life with it or even mess up the phone. But the more you learn to use it, the more you can be productive with it. There are a lot that we have around us, but we are not maximizing them because we have not learned enough about these things. So get to know more about that power that you have so that it can profit you more. If not, the other person who doesn't have that power but understands it better can be using you. I'm Onyi Nnebedum, this Thought Mining segment. See you on the next episode.